Today's video is going to be very special. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever found an amazing opportunity online only to discover that it is not available in your country? Or maybe you have signed up for a crypto project or an airdrop or an e-commerce platform, or maybe you run an online business, you are a YouTuber, or in short, you are finding ways to make money online, only to realize that certain features are limited based on your location. The truth is that many people miss out on wonderful opportunities online just because of this. Not because they lack skills, but because they don't have access to the right tools. And one of the tools that experienced online entrepreneurs, marketers, researchers, freelancers use is called Proxy. Now, before you click away and stop watching this video thinking that it is very complicated or this is fluff, just relax. In today's video, I'm going to explain it the way a 2-year baby will understand it, in the simplest manner. Now, in this video, you will learn what a proxy is, why people use proxies, how to buy one safely, how to avoid fake proxy providers, and how to set everything up step by step as a complete beginner. Now, most importantly, I'm going to show you a proxy provider that I have found reliable, affordable, and beginner friendly. So if you are this person that works online, you are an entrepreneur or freelancers, this video is for you. First of all, what is exactly this proxy that I am talking about? Think of a proxy as a middleman between your device and the website you visit. Instead of the website communicating directly with your device, the communication passes through the proxy first. This helps businesses and professionals manage online activities more efficiently. For example, you could be physically located in Nigeria, in India, or any part of the world while using a proxy service that connects through another region. That's one reason proxies have become popular among businesses, freelancers, marketers, and many online professionals. And go to your Chrome or any browser that you are using, go and search for proxy seller here. You can see it here. Please look at their logo. Make sure you are not mistaking it to any other proxy. So I'm gonna click here. Now you will see different proxy available. You can see IPv4 proxies, IPv6 proxies, residential proxies, mobile proxies, ISP proxies, and many more. One thing I really like about this platform is that their prices are quite reasonable compared to many competitors. For example, let's say I want IPv4 proxies. You will see a list of available countries, including locations. You will see Europe, Asia, Africa, North America, Australia, and so on. For this example, I am selecting North America. I'm gonna use USA. You will see different packages available here. You can buy 5 proxies, 10 proxies, 25 proxies, 50, and so on. If I want only one proxy, I'll just click on buy button. Now we are in the other page. You can still change the location if you want, but I will keep USA selected. Now the next one is purpose of use. This field is optional, but for this purpose, I'm gonna type PayPal. The next thing is the rental period. How many months do you want the proxies to last? All right, so I'm gonna leave it at 1 month. Now I will tell you for free, the longer the subscription, the lesser the monthly fee. Now select the quantity of proxies that you want. For this video, I'm gonna leave it at 1. Now when you look at this place, you will see different payment options. You can use PayPal, Visa or MasterCard, that's bank option. You can use USDT, you can use BUSD, you can use CRX, and so on. So for this, I'm gonna use my MasterCard, but you can choose whichever method that suits you. Now add your email address here. Now you can see each one, how much it costs, all right? Because we selected one proxy, okay, this is how much it costs. Now this is the beautiful aspect of it. I have a discount code that can save you some money. To apply it, simply go to the redeem code section. Now this discount code that I'm about to give you will save you some money, all right? Now click on this redeem code. Go ahead and type Techmom all in capital letter, just this way. As you can see, the discount code has been applied, right? Now click on submit order, then complete the payment from here, all right? Now go to your profile here, go to orders. Now inside these orders, you will find all the details of your proxies. All right, you will also receive the same information via your email. Now from here, you can copy all the proxy information, including protocol, HTTP, HTTPS, source port, host, username, password, and others. All right. Now let me show you how to use this proxy. There are many anti-detect browsers, all right, but the setup process is very similar. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to use AdPower. Just click on AdPower. If you have not signed up, just go ahead and sign up. All right, I'm gonna just log in with my Google. Now go ahead and click on new profile. Then give your profile any name you like. It could be freelancer or your name. Then go ahead and choose your preferred browser type. When you click on this one browser, you see Chrome. All right, different Chrome versions. Okay, when you click on this flower browser, you will see different Firefox versions. All right, just choose your browser from here. If it is Chrome, choose Chrome. All right, it could be Windows, it could be Mac OS, it could be Linux, it could be Android. All right, it could be Apple, iOS. You can see all of them here. Now the next thing is to go to our proxy. Click on proxy. Now go ahead and select your proxy type. HTTPS, HTTP, anyone, just select it. You are going to get it from proxy seller. All right, just select it. Go ahead and paste your host, paste your username, your password, and even your IP URL. Okay, and click on OK. You are done. That's it. You have created a perfect profile. Your new browser profile is ready to use, and with Proxy connected perfectly. This is just a quick tutorial showing you where to buy quality proxy, how to purchase them, and also how to set them up inside an anti-detect browser. All right, so if this video makes sense to you, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to drop any question you have. I'll do my possible best to give you a perfect reply or answer. See you guys in my next video. Bye.